It was a quiet night in the forest, and the full moon was shining high in the sky. Its silvery light illuminated the river, creating a perfect reflection on the water. A curious fox with reddish fur and bright eyes stopped at the riverbank. With a determined leap, the fox jumped into the river, but instead of catching the moon, he fell into the water, soaking himself completely. He shook his fur and looked again. There was the moon still intact, mocking him from the water. "This time I won't fail," he exclaimed. And he tried again. Once, twice, 3 times. But he always ended up with the same result. The reflection remained there, unreachable. Finally, exhausted, the fox sat down on the riverbank, panting. He looked up and saw the real moon hanging majestically in the sky. That was when he understood. "Not everything I desire is within my reach," he thought, "but that doesn't mean I can't admire it from where I am." And so the fox remained on the riverbank, peacefully gazing at the moon, learning that it is not always about possessing something, but about appreciating its beauty from afar. If you enjoyed this story and its message, please give it a like and subscribe for more inspiring stories. And if you know someone who could use this reminder today, share it with them. Until next time.